Not sure which dump trailer to choose, if the LZ7 or the HZ7? Here's a quick comparison between the two. Both come in bumper pull or gooseneck with length options of 12, 14 or 16 feet and have two 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles. The first difference that you will notice is the mega toolbox on the HZ7. It houses the battery charger, hydraulic pump, and you still have a lot of space for your tools. While the LZ7 features a bit smaller toolbox. The next difference is the HZ7 features side steps on both sides where the LZ7 doesn't have those. The dump bed frame on the HZ7 features a 5x5 by 5/16 angle iron with 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart and a 7-gauge flooring, where the LZ7 features a 2x4-inch 11-gauge tubing with 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart and a 9-gauge flooring. The LZ7 features a 12-gauge rounded steel side with a 2x3-inch 11-gauge tubing, where the HZ7 features a 10-gauge round steel sides with a 3x5-inch 11-gauge tubing for the top rail. The fenders on the HZ7 are the 12-gauge diamond plate steel removable fenders. On the LZ7 they are the 14-gauge diamond plate steel fenders, which are welded to the dump. For lifting power, the 12-foot HZ7 and the LZ7 feature a 5x15-inch hydraulic cylinder with a 15,000-pound hoist, where the 14 and 16-foot HZ7 features a 6x21-inch cylinder with a 20,000-pound hoist. The doors on the HZ7 is made of a diamond plate steel doors, where the LZ7 is made of smooth steel. The ramps on the HZ7 are the 4-inch channel ramps, where the LZ7 has the 3-inch channel ramps. Both trailers go through our 6-step painting process, which includes steel grip blasting and a powder coat, ensuring the paint will be durable. So both trailers are great trailers, with the LZ7 being more for the light duty jobs and the HZ7 more for the heavy duty jobs. If you would like to find pricing, you can find it in the description below, or you can find a dealer near you on our website on horizontrailers.com/find a dealer. I'll catch you in the next video.